Okay, fashion show. Let's see you walk. And stop and turn. All right. And we're turning. There we go. And pose. Pose. There we go. I can back up. All right, back up. Back up on the fireplace.
Do the walk.
Do the walk. All right, where are we walking to? You guys gonna walk a different direction? Okay. We got the backwards tiara. We got the heels. Oh, now Sam's ready for his portion.
Lights. Lights.
All right, Sam, modeling your fire hat.
It's awesome.
Are you gonna pose for me?
Why don't you wear
Pose.
that necklace? Sam, why don't you wear that necklace for our fashion show?
There you go.
Is that a pose, Sam?
You turn your muscles.
You're right. You are. You're doing muscles.
Come on.
Okay.